4 फाइल्स बनाई हैं आपने?
हाँ जी।
क्या क्या है फाइलों के नेम?
फर्स्ट फाइल का नेम है अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सेल्फ, सेकंड फाइल नेम्स इज रीडिंग एंड रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन टेक्स्ट, ड्रामा एंड एजुकेशन, ड्रामा एंड आर्ट्स इन एजुकेशन।
कितने मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिकल है? एक फाइल कितने मार्क्स की है? 50 मार्क्स की है। ठीक है, अभी एग्जाम दिए हैं?
हाँ जी।
पेडागोजी सब्जेक्ट्स कौन से थे?
What do you mean by MS Excel?
MS Excel is a spreadsheet based, calculation based software. Okay, it is a part of MS Office, and we can use in school to prepare records of the student, like mark sheets or roll numbers.
Okay, so you said MS Excel is a part of MS Office, right? So what is MS Office then?
MS Office is a software. It has, I think, 4 components: MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word.
Okay. So what is live conferencing?
Live conferencing.
Do you think it is being practiced in school these days?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you mean by that?
In the time of Corona, we all know that online teaching is very in. So live conferencing is a way through which we can communicate or interact with parents as well as students through online.
Yes. So my first question is, what do you mean by self-esteem?
According to me, self-esteem is basically the respect and our morale, which we often try to protect when it comes to ourselves, because self-esteem and self-respect both come parallel and they both are equally important to us, which we try to preserve every time in any kind of situation.
Okay, so you use the word morale. So do you think morale is important while teaching in the school?
Yes, obviously, I think morale is quite important when it comes to teaching in school, because if our morale is down, then I think the students will not be able to cope up with us. They want someone who is positive, who has a good morale, who can boost them also, who can boost their confidence, so that they can also perform well and look at us like a role model.
Okay, so you are pursuing your B.Ed regular, right?
Yes.
So how did you commute?
Ma'am, I commuted by bus because from Delhi to Rohtak, I used the bus as a transport of conveyance.
Explain me, what do you mean by close reading? What is the difference between close reading and the open reading of the text?
I think close reading means something which maybe we can memorize, or something that we do in depth maybe, and open could be just a gist or a synopsis which we go through.
Okay. Have you made this file on your own?
Yes, I have made all the files on my own.
Okay. So how important do you think drama is while teaching these kids in the school? Do you think drama is an important means?
Yes, I think drama is very important because our body language says a lot. If we are still and we are stable in any situation, I don't think the child would be interested to listen to us. But I think if we portray something in front of them, or if we portray any kind of drama, it could be in any form. It could be the change of body language, it could be the change of movements, it could be the change in their classroom structure. Maybe we can go outside, we can visit other places. So I think that the drama that we can create in the environment for the children is quite important.
Okay. What is the full form of ICT?
ICT stands for information, some technology. Information.
Okay.
Something
So you don't know the meaning of the
no,
term
I don't know.
itself. Okay, fine. What is the difference between workbook and worksheet?
Worksheet is something that is given, it can be given to us by a teacher, or it can